Hello, and thank you for checking out the Thunderbolt Adventure Supply Camp Kitchen installation guide for the Rivian R1S. So, the first step in installing your camp kitchen is having an R1S. Unfortunately, here at Thunderbolt Adventure Supply, we only had the R1T. So I want to give a special shout out to Josh and Kenny for helping us out in creating this video. Start by removing everything out of the back of the SUV. Then remove the panel that covers the wheel well. You can leave the stuff in the wheel well, as you'll be able to access that even after the kitchen's installed. Next, we recommend putting a blanket over the tailgate, just to make sure you don't scratch anything. Lift the kitchen onto the tailgate of the R1S. Loosen the 4 cam lock bolts on either side and align them with the metal track in the bottom of the R1S. Slide the screws into the track until you make contact with the third row seats. With the kitchen in position, lay the third row seats flat. Pop the 2 black latches on either side of the kitchen and lift the kitchen open. Now, tighten the cam locks on either side, being sure not to over-tighten them. Included with your kitchen is a short extension cord, making the connection from the induction cooktop to your R1S easy. To access your kitchen, place your thumbs in the back side of the bottle openers. Use your pinky to press down on the blue levers and pull the kitchen out. Be sure to release the blue levers as soon as the kitchen starts to slide towards you. Your kitchen is equipped with 2 induction burners as well as a foldable kitchen sink. On the top of the kitchen are 2 T-rails that'll accept mountings to help tie down cargo to keep it secure while you're rolling over the hills. Finally, with the kitchen stored away, you can pop the 2 black latches on either side of the kitchen to lift it open to access the wheel well. The kitchen has gas shocks to help assist with the lifting, so you don't have to pick up the whole thing. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative in your decision to purchase a camp kitchen for your Rivian R1S. You can follow us on Instagram at Everything in the Camp Kitchen, or you can check us out on Rivian Camping Fun on the Facebook groups.